Today, I'm back with part 2 of 6 common mistakes brands tend to make with their marketing and how you can avoid them. In part 1, we covered 3 crucial aspects like the importance of a digital presence, focusing only on features versus benefits, and how to approach this loophole, and the importance of harnessing customer feedback. If you'd like to check it out, you can find it up here at the end of the video and in the description box below. Hey everyone, I'm Nupur and welcome to the Studio N channel, where we cover everything around branding, strategy, marketing, and creative communication in easy to get videos. If you're a business who wants to perfect any of these aspects to grow your brand, or a marketer looking to scale your knowledge, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Part 4, focusing on competition versus customers. If you're a small or new business, it can be frustrating to see competition move ahead in aspects you're tackling. But oftentimes, businesses get so caught up with creating marketing campaigns to take down competition that they lose sight of crafting customer-optimized marketing strategies. Ultimately, your consumer dictates the success of your business. While it's good to keep an eye on competition, making your customer top priority will automatically lead to your brand handling itself with consistency, transparency, creativity, and sensitivity. Part 5. Blending campaign objectives. A common mistake I've experienced during my partnerships with brands and businesses is the difficulty to articulate a primary campaign objective. This often ends with campaigns blending a brand awareness and sales objective together, which is counterproductive to the effort and spends the campaign will require. Brand awareness campaigns utilize more creative and free-flowing forms of communication, while sales campaigns will utilize more tactical marketing efforts. 1. Create campaign peaks in your yearly marketing calendar according to consumer purchasing patterns. High purchase months will mean sales become the primary objective, while awareness is secondary. Number 2, identify quarterly goals and align objectives with them. This makes it easier to target one marketing objective during that phase. It also makes it easy to assess campaign performance. And lastly, should you want to tackle both within a single campaign timeline, it is still imperative to articulate which objective is primary and which is secondary, and distribute your efforts and spends accordingly. Part 6. Not focusing on video marketing. 2024 will continue to be the era of video content, be it long form or short form, making the format king. Embracing video marketing is easy, as most social media and digital marketing platforms are optimized for it. 1. Utilize short-form video content for your business on platforms like Instagram and YouTube. 2. Partner with creators who can hop on board to bring your brand to life with the power of authentic video storytelling. 3. Incorporate easy-to-consume videos across your website and email campaigns. Videos capture attention and convey your message in a way that grabs attention and creates high impact. And with this, we conclude the 2-part series on 6 common marketing mistakes brands make and how to tackle them. Remember, every mistake is an opportunity to learn and grow. I hope this video helped you tackle your loopholes or spark an idea. If you enjoyed watching this video and you're looking forward to more, do drop a like below to let me know. And if you'd like me to further detail and explain any of these points in a separate video, drop me a comment. Lastly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get an update for the next value-packed Studio N upload. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.